Meaning of epidermis.
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 Epidermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin that acts as a protective barrier. It is composed of multiple layers of cells that provide a waterproof seal, preventing water loss and protecting against bacterial invasion. The epidermis also contains melanocytes that produce melanin, which provides the skin with its color. Additionally, the epidermis plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature through sweat glands. Overall, the epidermis is an essential component of the skin, providing necessary protection and functions to maintain a healthy body.